What are you really trying to be able to do? What are you looking for? And ultimately, it's not just now, but it's in 4 years. What's your ideal scenario?
We did a deep dive and we actually internally learned even more about the business with having them here.
They help to think through things that I know I would have overlooked in the past.
I go to Michael's team and I say, okay, guys, give me a bundle experience, right? And that's agnostic of the platform. You know what I mean? Like they're not looking at it from like, well, hey, Nathan, I can only do this, right? They go out into the ether, out into the world, and they say, hey, what's the best experience that we can build?
We definitely take a user-centered design approach. We're building personas. We're understanding the data of what people have done in the past. We're looking at that behavior, and we're really trying to do a holistic assessment on what we can do for those customers.
They really are, going to that next step and taking that next level of recommending and showing us, hey, here's why you want to do it this way versus that way, and here's how it's going to affect the timeline, the cost, and what the ultimate user experience is going to be.
A good design is really about deconstructing the experience as much as we can and making things very simple, readable, navigable.
And then we take it to the client, and then we develop it and build it and architect it, and then we'll launch it.
I think they've got an eagerness and a propensity to learn. They really look at the whole picture, which is crucial to making this a strong part of the business.
They're a great source of information as well as ideas. I definitely would recommend Echidna.